Alright, we've got a 90s Ranger here, and we're doing steering. These are what's worn out as your rag joints. Alright, so here's the shaft itself coming out, and I drilled the holes out, and you can see where these went. So what I'm going to do see if you can read that. It's 368 thousandths. And a 368 thousandths drill bit, I've pre-looked it up. It's a U. Perfect. So we'll drill these out to 368. Drill these out to 368, and this one as well. Then we will be able to put the bolt through, and I'll probably cut all but about that much thread off of it. That should give us enough to tighten it down, and then I can notch it with the grinder. I'll put like on the end of it I'll put an X, and then take my chisel right here. I'm doing this with one hand, but if I put an X through there, and then I pound that with a chisel with the nut on it, then it should have a good locking nut. That way it won't come loose. And if nothing else, I'll spot weld the tip. But again, I'm going to take almost all that thread off. I'll only have enough to cover the nut.